Kshipra here. I'm a qualified chartered accountant. Um, so where I thought of so one of my friends referred me to Eduyush. Initially, I was working with one of the big four, and then I decided to take a break because of my twin babies. So I thought I'll keep myself updated meanwhile I'm on break. So my friend referred me to this course and Eduyush. So I started this journey around February. Uh, First of all, I would like to thank Eduyush for helping me throughout this journey. And so what I used to do is we have weekly lectures from Vijayaram, and so before the lecture, I used to most of the time, not all of the, most of the time, I used to refer the DPP books before ma'am's lecture, and then during the lecture, I attended all the lectures. Whenever I used to miss, I used to see the recordings because that helps us a lot in figuring out like how to study, what all the areas are important, and then during the lecture, if we have any doubt, we used to ask a ma'am, and she used to help us clearing all our doubts. So after the lecture, I used to prepare a kind of summary because we don't have the time to go through BBP books again. I used to go through once, then I used to attend the lecture, and then I used to prepare a summary um, with the help of lecture and the past cards. And that summary, I used to prepare like in such a way that we can go through it before the exam in like 10-15 minutes each topic. And as men used to focus on the revision kit and practice questions from past papers. So whatever questions were practiced in the lecture that I used to mark important and practice it twice. And then I used to note down what all points are important and note down that points along with the summary, which I used to refer at the end. I would suggest to go through the revision kit at least twice. So once we can go through, then we can mark important questions, and then important questions we can go the second time. Whatever doubts are there, which are used to help us in clearing all the doubts. And then I gave the one mock test paper where she reviewed the paper, and then she gave detailed input, which really helped me in improving the presentation. One more thing that is important is you should start practice the moment, even if it's half an hour a day or 1 hour a day. You should start practicing on the DPP itself because that helps us a lot in the final paper. So I used to practice on the BPP like from 2 months before the exam. At least one question from each topic is sufficient. Then I refer the past papers of last 10 years, and there also I used to mark important questions and that I referred at the end. Now regarding the timings, initially, I joined in February, so I got 4 months to prepare. So initially I used to do one hour, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, and then in the end, last 1 month, I gave like 5-6 hours daily. Um, I think that helped me a lot. And whatever doubts we have, we can ask Vijay. She was available. She used to solve all the doubts very patiently. And before one day before the exam, we can just refer the summary whatever we have prepared, and we can refer the very important questions that came out. I think that will help us. But the most important key is practice, practice, and practice. So please, means we should solve at least revision kit twice and practice at least one question each topic on the BP. I think that will help us a lot. That's all, Bindu, you can take up.
Kshipra, did you refer, what all resources, study material did you refer for the examination as in while doing the preparation?
Yeah, so I used to refer BPP books, but that I referred only once before ma'am's lecture. Then now after the lecture, I referred only notes that I prepared based on ma'am's lecture and BPP, and I referred BPP, revision kit, and we get that passbook, right? That's all. And I used to solve all the questions that Eduyush has on its site, right? Topic wise question. They have topic wise questions for each topic. Is to solve all of the questions and I used to mark what are important. Then there are technical articles that are all combined for each topic on the Eduyush site. So I referred all the technical articles once and then mark all the important points from the technical articles. And then before the exam, I went through that once. Apart from that, I used to attend all the quizzes that you have. So that really helps to clear the concept. Uh, that's all I think.
Okay, and any trial on the application or anything that you practice,
Yeah. So I used to practice one topic, one question each topic. Like we have some, I think 30 top, 25 to 30 topics, I guess. So I used to practice one question for each topic on the BPP software. And then in the end, before the exam, 1 month, so during the 1 month period before the exam, I used to practice the past papers. I used to like sit on the table and perform as if we are doing an exam environment only. I used to perform that. So I did some 5, 6 papers on the BPP. Along with that, I gave the mock test as well. And consolidation, yeah, regarding consolidation, I solved some 20, 25 questions on the software. So that really helped me to understand the software and speed up the yeah, writing practice, I would say.
okay. And what 3 tips would you like to give to the students who are aspiring for the December 2023 examination?
Yeah. So first thing is, I would say practice, practice, and practice. The moment you start studying, practice on the BPP software and start solving questions. Whenever you read some topic, take out the questions from the revision kit, past papers, and start solving it. And take out some time to, do questions on the BPP. That is the one most key thing. Second thing is attend all the lectures of VGMM and have your own notes or maybe refer to the past cards, whatever is comfortable, but at least have your a base ready to read it 1 day before the exam. And third thing is, I think consistency. Maybe it's half an hour a day. If you're working, you might not get time. So spend at least half an hour a day to read from the start whenever you start studying for this. So consistency is very much important. Even if it's half an hour, 1 hour, it's okay. But start studying continuously. And if you have your notes ready or past cards, whatever you do, you can revise it whenever you're traveling or you're going somewhere. 5, 10 minutes. I think that will help us a lot.
Okay, thank you so much, Kshipra. And